Okay, we got what I'm pretty sure is an NP833. It's out of a 70 Plymouth Barracuda. They want some kind of conversion kit done to it. The kit is here. The customer bought his own parts. Not sure exactly what we're going to be doing to it. Well, we got to disassemble it anyway, so we'll go ahead and do this disassembly. I was told it was a conversion to an overdrive. I don't think that's what it is. I think we're changing ratios, but I'm not sure because it's already a 4-speed, so I don't know exactly what we're doing. Let me go ahead and mark these just in case. Alright, 1/2 inch on the plate. Half inch on the front cover. Your fork looks okay. This fork looks okay. See anything obviously chewed up? Doesn't really look like it. So we'll take the toe housing off. Like 5/8. Alright, 1/2 inch on our speedometer. Alright, should all come out together now. Okay, our slider is chewed up. Means our input shaft is going to be chewed up. Got a snapper in here. Probably going to have to get a puller on that. Nope. Our gear is chewed up. Alright, should be a snap ring to release this right here. And should slide out. Alright, snap ring on the back. Yeah, this one's pretty stout. There, come on off of there. Okay. Have to go out to the press and press this off. See if we can use a couple heel bars. Okay, it's going to have to be pressed off. I'll set that to the side for the momentary. Alright, drive out our pin for our counter shaft. Shaft should come out. Our synchronizer. Our counter shaft should come out. We got shims on each end, should be shims in the center, roller bearings. Washers on each end. And the tube. There's no need to take our reverse idler out of there unless we're changing it. Looks okay. We'll let this drain, kind of rinse it off before we stick it in the cleaning machine. Get all this nasty 90 weight in there. Alright, let me press this apart and then we'll be back. Okay, got our gear. All the teeth are chewed where the synchronizer and the slider goes. So the sliders are worn out. There's a snap ring that holds this onto the output shaft. This just presses off. So we're gonna have to see what they gave us in the kit, what they're wanting replaced, and then we'll go from there. If this was needing to be rebuilt with just what I see here, bearing seals and synchros, and then every stinking gear is pretty much rounded where the teeth are, so it would probably pop out of gear. I have a feeling somebody's racing this, so the sliders and every gear would need to be replaced. So we'll see what they got, and then we'll go from there.